Now.
Okay. It's September 21st, and this is Rosie and Hunter's litter. We have 3 girls and 2 boys, and they're all attacking me. Okay, we'll start with the boys. This is our little boy. He's a little brown boy, and he's a nice puppy. Yes, he is. Oh, did you fall off my lap? Come back up here. And this little boy right over here, this is boy number 2. This is the other boy. Yes. So this will be boy number 2.
And he's a little tiny boy, and he is adorable.
He's a sweet boy. Okay, now for the wild girls. Let's see. This is girl number 1. And she's a sweet puppy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you a good girl? Are you a good puppy? Yes, you are. Oh my goodness, what big you are. It's getting late. They're getting ready to go dinner. Okay, we're done kissing. We're done kissing. Okay, this is little girl number 1 of Rosie's. Oh, this is girl number 2. This is our tiny puppy. The dark brown little boy, and this is our tiny little girl. She is going to be so small.
Show the face, honey. I want to show that face.
You can see that face. I can't get her to turn her head.
This is the sweetest little baby girl in the whole wide world.
She's a sweetheart. I'm going to call her honey. She's just a bit of honey. What do you think? She just gets still when you hold her, but when you put her down, she's a pistol. What do you think? There she goes.
Mister. Okay, got one more girl.
One more girl. And this is the ball pit. These guys have just seen the balls for the first time today. That's a little boy. I need to find my girl. They're drinking water. And this would be girl number 3. She's a chunky butt. She's a chunky butt. She's a very pretty puppy.
Oh, she's a sweetie.
Are you sweet? Are you getting tired too? Yeah. Do a little teething on my fingers. She's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart. But this is girl number 3 in Rosie's litter. And here's our tiny puppy. Yeah. Look at the difference in their heads.
Isn't that hole right there?
She's going to be an itty bitty thing. Oh, there's your sister. There's my sister. What's going on back there? Okay.